first video channel natin. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Festa Extravaganza. So kasama natin si Alvin and this Aster. Hi guys, ito pala yung pinakamaganda kong asawa. Say hi, mami. Siya ang kasama natin, kasama mga kiddos. Alright guys, so punta na tayo dun sa Festa Extravaganza. Okay, see you there.
Pero dapat meron silang stage time eh. May umakit ka ba kanina from Toyota? Ayaw! Sabi ayaw magsalita. But again, anyway, you have another chance tomorrow, sir. Okay? Mag-ipon ang lakas ng iyo para makapag tomorrow, Saturday. About the celebrity coming over tomorrow. Who's the winner? Who's coming tomorrow?
Sina who?
Sina? Morales. Exhibitors for our go.
Oo, pupunta pa lang yung sa kapatid ko. Ano kaya yung pangalan pala?
Mami.
More to come.
Wow.
Tama na kasi may babae na kami. Ano sige.
Gems and trinkets, Philippine Heritage Band, Mitri, Lovely Asia, Dilma, Asian Apparel, Shop Your Luck, Garden Swift,
Gusto mo video?
MTP, Laura Smith, and the Born Message Propaganda, Registration, and Tito Lady Tour, and what's this? AV, and Toronto.
This is Filipino Canadian Association of Bonds. Yan ang
yes.
partner natin ever since.
Yung may magandang-
Tita Erlinda Insigne.
So may magandang exhibit doon, no?
Yes, at nandito rin yung iba nating mga kasamahan from FCA.
Alright.
Yan. Nabanggit natin yung Shop Your Lots,
Oh,
yung
yes, I did.
Biraya,
Yes,
Toronto H2O,
H2O.
Sagira, Negative.
And I am CNA. What does that stand for?
I think this is the Association of Nurses, Integrated Filipino Canadian Nurses Association.
Alright.
Please support.
Filipino Canadian.
Hi there, yung chicken barbecue.
Yes, they joined the parade earlier this morning. We have Tito Sani Martinez,
And?
the Liberal Party.
Yes.
Yes, and we would also like to mention and say thank you to all of
Okay, pili
our
ka na.
leaders. Namely, Namely Bubble Bubbles, Claire's Pinoy Unagay, Train Express, Edge Barbecue, Van Flame, Golden Lechon, Happy Twist, Heavenly Dreams Ice Cream, Hope of Empanada, Jackie's Creative Cakes, Kaibigan Food Corner. Ikaw naman po.
Kanto Tato, Kuboti, Muzi Dessert Gallery / King Sugarcane 2. Also,
Yes.
Nelly's Egg. Wow.
Narinig ko yung sabi niya.
Nakain niya pang pulutan daw.
Ontario Corn Roast Maya, stay with us and you will witness how Yes Friday can perform.
Magugustuhan na
Quick,
sila.
quick.
That's for sure. And speaking of bands, hindi tayong
Ilang quick, quick.
Quick, tapos
Ang
labas.
Eraserheads
Isaw.
po ay magkakaroon ng world tour. It's happening at the Great Canadian Casino Resort Toronto on July 21st. That's a Sunday. And if you are interested, please visit the Ticketmaster. Again, today, we'll run some games and we will be giving away 2 tickets for the Eraserheads concert.
Alright. Also,
Although yung
Dalawang quick, quick.
tickets, will
Naku,
And July 13th, that's for January. July 13th and 14th at Chibusi Park.
Alright guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Bye.